Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily search for filters on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to bring up Story Camera, and then in order to open up Effect Gallery, first you have to select any effect. You can tap right here at any of that effects. You can use that effects from the left side. That's actually the last effect that you used, and then at any effect page you can hit right here at that effect's name. Then you can scroll down for a bit until you find Browse Effect Gallery. Just tap on that. That opens up Effect Gallery, and right here you can search for some effect. You can select one of some categories first, like following, like Reels, Instagram, and a bunch of different other categories like animals, for example. And then if you want, you may try to use one of those effects. You can just tap on that, and if you like it, you can hit right here at Try It to start immediately creating video with that effect, or you can hit right here at that bookmark icon to save it, to be able to easily find that effect later. After that, you can close that effect. You can go back to Effect Gallery home page, and right from here you can hit at magnifying glass icon to be able to search for some specific effect. Let's say you are looking for crying filter. You can just put in crying, and then you are able to select any of those effects. You can select one of them and check how it looks like. And in the same way, you can easily search for any effects on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.